Hello, welcome to Framesmart, an online pattern maker for book folding and framed folded paper art. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an inverted cut and fold book pattern, a style where the design is set into the book. By cutting and folding pages at exact points, and folding even-numbered tabs inward, the finished design appears recessed within the pages, creating a clean and professional inverted effect. First, open the pattern maker on the Framesmart website and select the book pattern type. Edit the book dimensions to enter the number of leaves or pages, and the height of the pages. Accurate dimensions ensure the cut measurements are calculated correctly for your book. Notice how the canvas on the screen changes as you adjust the dimensions. This shows the actual shape and proportions of your book. In the Fold Style drop-down, select the Inverted Cut and Fold option. Selecting this fold style automatically updates the pattern maker controls to match the inverted cut and fold pattern type. This includes controls like the shadow style and threshold, so the pattern maker is ready for you to start adjusting your design. Next, let's look at how to upload an image. Simply click the Upload Image button, then choose a picture from your computer or device. Once it's uploaded, it will appear on the screen, ready for you to adjust and turn into your pattern. Switching between the before and after canvases lets you see either the original image or the converted image for the pattern. Use the before and after canvas to pan and zoom your image until it looks just right. You can also adjust the aspect ratio controls to change the shape of the canvases. If you click Reset Image Position, the image will recenter, removing any panning or zooming and filling the canvas as much as possible. The after canvas updates automatically, so you can see your changes in real time. If you want, you can use the Detail and Detail Strength sliders to add more detail to your pattern. Adjusting these controls can make the design more defined and intricate, helping it stand out in the finished book. The pattern image on the after canvas is made up of black and white areas. The black areas are folded deeper into the book, while the lighter areas remain at the front. When following the pattern, the even-numbered tabs are folded inward, producing a neat and accurate design that appears recessed within the book, rather than standing out from it. Use the threshold slider to refine how black, shadow, and white areas are divided in your design. With none selected, the threshold simply controls the split between black and white. Sliding it to the right increases the black areas, making more folds go deeper into the book. Sliding left increases the white areas, keeping more of the design nearer the front. With odd leaves selected, the slider introduces shadows on odd-numbered leaves. The threshold now defines two transitions, from black to shadow, and from shadow to white. Adjusting the slider shifts these ranges, letting you control how much of your design appears at each depth. With even leaves selected, the effect is the same as odd, but the shadows are applied to even-numbered leaves instead. This shifts the placement of the shadows, creating a slightly different visual result when the book is folded. The after canvas updates in real time as you move the slider, so you can experiment until the design looks bold, clear, and balanced. The Remove Static button helps clean up your image by removing small specks or noise that might appear in the pattern. Use this if your design has unwanted dots or tiny details that you don't want to fold, so your final pattern is cleaner and more precise. Once your design is ready, click the Download Pattern button to save it. Before downloading, the pattern options let you customize your pattern, assign a pattern name, specify created by, and choose the language for labels and instructions. Under Pattern Style, select Measurement for a precise table, Graphical for a visual guide, or both to include them together in a zip file. You can also choose font size, Regular for a standard table or Enlarged for easier reading. These options ensure your pattern is clear, accessible, and ready to print exactly as you need. This is the measurement pattern style. It gives you a table of precise measurements that you can use to manually mark each fold in your book. Each row in the table shows exactly where to measure, so you can create the design step by step. This is the graphical pattern style. It provides a visual guide that lines up directly with your book pages, making it easy to follow along as you fold without needing to measure each point. That's it for creating your pattern. Thank you for watching. For more guides, tips, and to explore all the pattern types, visit us at www.framesm.art.